This doesn't work anymore. How do you fix it?
Please, Robert.
Okay, I'll fix it. So the guy that said clean mic, I hope this is way better for you. Very good, isn't it? As you can see, I'm in ring 1, and also as you can see, if I hit play, then everything seems to be working. As you can see, I can go in here. Whoa, there's the timer, everything works. This is broken because the new chat, I forgot to show what the actual problem is, hold on. So I'll go here. There is actually no return pad here, I think I forgot to add that. But if I reset, this is the problem. I'm gonna move that back. It's probably, as you can see, the restarting text is stuck on the screen. And if I move myself over here, try to go back in, the timer doesn't start, and I can't go on the WinPad. So what's the issue? Well, first I'm just gonna quickly add this return pad. Enabled off. Make sure it's off. Then I'll do winners return. You can just go over here, copy that, add a script in here, paste that. Wait, sorry, I meant copy that, paste that, get rid of all of this, and also that. So WinPad we can just replace with scripts.parent. The workspace, just change that to start. Then the brick color, just go here, crimson. That should be that done. Go over here, and there we go. The other issue is pretty easy to fix. Wait, reset on spawn. This thing has caused me so many damn problems. Like, so many problems. You can also get rid of this weight, I don't think we need that anymore. If I just turn that off, I can also do portals dot child added connect function portal, and then copy. I'm just going to get rid of that. Copy this, paste that. This is just so if anything loads late, it'll still be counted. But yeah, turn off reset on spawn. Go through, reset. The restart label isn't there, and it works. I swear to God, this stupid reset on spawn thing is the worst, is the bane of my existence. I can't. It literally always causes problems. And while we're at it, right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to update this to work with the new chat in here. So what you want to do is what I call text chat service game get service text chat service text chat service. Okay, we're fine. So text chat service dot text channel. That's right. Yeah, text channels dot rbx system display system message, and then now it gets more complicated because you can't just have a table with all your stuff now. You have to, like, it's weird. You have to type it weirdly. So what you have to do, I'm gonna make 3 variables. Color R, it's color dot R divided by 255. Color B dot B divided by 255. And color C color dot, what am I doing? C G G divided by 255. So what you have to do is use rich text formattings. If you haven't used rich text, then I'll show you how to change the color of something. So you do font color equals, and not many people know about this, but if you put a backslash and then a quote and then type more things, you can see that this quote is green, which means it's part of the string. If I get rid of the backslash, then as you can see it turns white and then I get big error. So that's just a little something neat I've learned. But now you can do RGB dot dot color R dot dot color B dot dot color C, no, oh my god, color G, nope, RGB. And also these need to have commas in between them. I don't think it matters if it has spaces or not, just if you have the comma. Put the in the bracket there, another quote, a greater than sign, yeah. I always need to check what I'm doing. But now you can do dot dot message dot dot quote less than, don't need the backslash for that one. You just do backslash font, I think it's forward slash, yeah. And then that will display the message. If you don't understand what it's doing, then I'll just show you the text label. So I have a text. It says something like really awesome. It says like, you are the epic. So say I want epic to be in a different color. I'd enable rich text first, and then do font color equals, and then a quotation mark RGB. You can also put a hex value in here like FF0000. I do know somewhat hex, not really. I think this is red. Yeah, so you can put a hex value here, or you can do RGB 25500. I'm just going to put a hex, and then you can do slash font, then hit enter, and as you can see, it's red. If I do slash b, if you do a B tag, then it's bold. As you can see, I can change this, and let epic stays red. If you want more customization options, I will send a link to the documentation in the description. So that was just kind of like an emergency patch I had to do, because people were commenting like, it doesn't work, when I reset it doesn't work, and yeah, I just had to fix that. So thanks for watching. I will still continue with the Flood Escape 2 series. This was just kind of something that I really had to do. So, goodbye.